I'm going to show you how you can have multiple Steam accounts on one PC. Now, this is not how to have multiple Steam accounts running at the same time, but you can have multiple accounts and you can easily swap between them. So if you have your Steam account set up and you're logged into Steam, I want you to sign out of this one, your current account. Now you'll see this is your account over here. This is your main account. Now you can click the plus button to add a new account, and you can either create it from scratch, or if you already have it created and you want to just add it side by side, just fill in the details and then log in. And it's that simple. Whenever you want to swap accounts, you just log out like I did at the beginning, and then you'll see the two icons appear, almost like in Windows if you were signing out of your account to log into like another family member's account on like a family PC or something. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a like. Thanks.